Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you the latest machine edition that we got for our printing business. It's the Htvront Autopress machine. Alright, so I've been eyeing this Htvront Autopress machine for months now, ever since I got my manual heat press machine. If you have seen some of my videos before, I've been using a manual heat press machine, but it's only 9 by 9 inch, so the size is limited. Anyway, I only have a A4 size printer, so the sizing is not really a problem for me. But the the thing that I was actually struggling about is the pressing of the projects. So every time I do it on my manual heat press machine, I feel that I'm so tired after I did the project. So I decided that for Papa's Christmas gift for me to get this Htvront Autopress machine. Anyway, it's not that expensive if you're gonna think about it. I only got this for, I think, around 10,000 pesos. I'm gonna put the amount here, the total amount, because we got a lot of vouchers and discounts in Shopee, and because of the Christmas season. That's because of the Christmas season. The actual pricing, I think, is 12K plus for the Htvront heat press machine, autopress machine, and they actually shipped it from Laguna. I thought it'll be shipped out from China because, as advertised on their Shopee mall, it's a verified account. It's their actual Shopee account profile. So I thought it's gonna be shipped from China, but it was only shipped in Laguna, and it only took 3 days from the time I placed the order, and then they packed it and all. So it's very fast. Although it's a Christmas season, so if you're gonna buy it now, it's the New Year season. I suggest you buy it after the holidays, so your package won't be trapped into the distribution hub. So anyway, so it's actually the perfect Christmas gift for me because I can press shirts, canvas bags, and other stuff. Mouse pads, that if you have seen some of my shorts videos, I've also posted them, that I've used Htvront Autopress. So this is not an unboxing video anymore. So anyway, let's get to that. Alright, so this is our Htvront Autopress machine. I think the size is 15 by 15 inches. So as you can see, it's square. Alright, and there is a sliding part here where you can put your project, the shirt, the canvas bags, and all. And it also comes with a mat. So this mat is, I think this is a soft cushion. It's not really that soft, but it's just a normal mat that we're using whenever we heat press our projects. So that's it. And it's 220 volts, so you don't have to worry about it. At first, I was kind of worried, but I read reviews online, so it's okay to be used here. So this is there. The mat is Htvront. There we go. And it's too heavy. I think when I got this, it's around 28 kilos in the package. So it was really a struggle for me to operate or to unbox this one because Papa was asleep when I was unboxing this. So anyway, there it is. I just put it on our flooring because I don't have a sturdy table to put it. So my friends who already got this told me that I have to put the Htvront Autopress on top of a sturdy table, but since I don't have one, So I just put it here. So maybe when we have decided to get one, and I have to fix the entire craft room or office room before I do that. So please bear with all the kalat here. There. So let's go and try the AutoPress machine, and I'm gonna print something with my sublimation printer first. Alright, so first we're going to make a design via Canva. So I normally use Canva to create my projects, my designs for my business. And don't worry, because I purchased, or I am subscribed to Canva Pro. So I can use more elements. I can use the background remover and all. So there. We're going to use a design because I'm going to make a canvas bag today to show you how the Htvront Autopress works. So I'm going to use a design that I have uploaded. I think I've uploaded something here. Coco melon there. But let's see. Let's get Coco melon SVG from Google, because we're going to attend a birthday party today, and I think I can use this to make a canvas bag. I think you can have this cocoa melon thing here. Oh, this one is nice, but I think it's not, is it? But I like this. Yeah, let's see. Let me just get it. So I'm just giving it as a gift. So let's see. Cocoa melon, JPEG. Okay, so whenever you make your design, just make sure that it's in SVG, JPEG, PNG, and just upload it here. So let's download Cocomelon. There. Anyway, even if it is not, since I'm using a Canva Pro, so I can remove the background, so we don't have to worry about that. So let's just do it like this, and then just edit the photo and remove the background. So that's what I'm talking about earlier. I'm using a Canva Pro so I can remove the background. I can use the background remover because it has a crown here. So if you aren't familiar with Canva, so there, if you can actually try it for 30-day free trial. All right, so this one, and then let's get the Coco melon, the Coco melon logo. Let's see. Anyway, the birthday celebrant is a boy, so there won't be any problems. Let's see what's nice. This one, and then let's just remove, save it. Cocomelon logo. Okay, it's in JPEG again. Okay, let's just upload it. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna put it on the canvas bags because nowadays, whenever we attend birthday parties, put I normally make canvas bags if we won't be able to have the gift wrapped. Because yesterday when Papa went to the mall, he said that the gift wrapping section of the area isn't available anymore. So I told him that I might just have it printed on a canvas bag right there. Let's see. Coco melon. There it is. Okay. Did I remove the background? Let's see. Okay. It's removed. And then maybe we can put the name of the celebrant here. I am using, by the way, robe font generator. Sorry, it's a font generator. So let's see if there is a Cocomelon font here. There, this one. Is it nice? Let's see. The child's name is Terrence. Wait, am I correct? Yeah, the child's name is Terrence. All right. So we can have it here, and then let's do it as large. Okay. So there are also some font styles here, but let's use this Alright, and then just download it. So it's Font Bolt. Sorry. The name is Font Bolt. So just show it in folder and just rename it to Terrence. Alright. Oh, there's another one. Alright, Terrence name. Alright, now we're going to upload the font that we did. Terrence. Alright. Alright. And then we're going to put it here. Do I need to remove Cocomelon? I was thinking of removing the Cocomelon here. Maybe. Wait. Is it nice if I remove it? I think it's better because it's understandable that it's already Cocomelon. So because of this and the baby. I don't even know the name of the baby here in Cocomelon. But let's put it here, parents. Put it here instead. So it's not too centered. Alright, so now we're going to print our project and we're going to use our sublimation printer because I'm using different types of printers, so I have to make sure that I'm going to use this. So let's use size A4 and let's go to the options. We want to make sure that we're printing it in high resolution and of course in mirror, so high quality, and then we have to mirror the image because we are going to print it in sublimation paper. So using sublimation paper, the sublimation paper that I'm using is a Quaff brand sublimation transfer paper. So make sure that if you're going to do sublimation projects as well as vinyl projects, heat transfer vinyl projects, you have to make sure that your print is on mirror mode, mirror image. Of course, if it's your first time, it's okay. We're not going to do that, but you're going to waste a lot of time. So there, just put mirror image there, and let's put the paper into our sublimation printer, and let's print it. Alright, so there it is. We are printing our Cocomelon project using our sublimation printer. I'm using an EPSON L121 Eco Tank printer. It's only 5,000 pesos. You can find it in Shopee. I'm going to put the link here in the description box. And you can, it's converted into sublimation because the original ink is dye ink. So you just have to convert it. If it's a brand new printer, you just have to put the sublimation ink directly. Don't put the dye ink anymore. Alright, so I just plugged it in directly into the wall outlet, power outlet, and now we're going to turn it on. So we just turn it on. This is the power on button. And as you can see, there is a default temperature and time, and then it's going to heat up. We're going to prep it up. But since we're going to use a canvas bag, so first we're going to prep the canvas bag to remove those wrinkles. So we're going to choose, this button will give you all the settings. Actually, it's just 4 settings. So just press it on since we're just going to press, or we're just going to prepare the canvas bag. So we're just going to use a 300-degree Fahrenheit and 15 seconds. So because we're just going to prep our canvas bag. And I'm going to use, of course, this type of tape. It's a heat resistant tape. I'm going to put all the link on my Shopee, the Shopee link, all the Shopee links of the materials that I'm using on the description box. So if you are from the Philippines, you can order via Shopee, but if you're watching from other countries, of course, you have Amazon, or I don't know if you have Shopee as well. I'm not sure. So there, we're just gonna prep up our canvas bag first. Alright, since we already have the letter R here for the heat press button ready, so it's on green mode and it indicates that it is ready to take your projects in. So I'm just gonna slide it here and we're gonna prepare our canvas bag. So let's just put our canvas bag here. And then just push the R button, the green button. And it will automatically press. And after, when it's done, it will then automatically lift. Alright, so there's no worries about pressing. And now our canvas bag is ready. So we're gonna put our design, since this is upside down, I have to put my design. So this is the sublimation paper that we used earlier. And just another reminder, so we have to use a different setting for this because we're now sublimating the bag, and a canvas bag needs a different time and temperature. So we're gonna use 390 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 seconds for this. So we have to wait for this to heat up again, and so we can get the desired temperature and setting for our canvas bag. So while doing it, let's just set our canvas bag. So this is the sublimation paper that we have. It's mirrored, as you can see, and we're gonna put it here upside down because the canvas bag is upside down. So don't forget that. I just did it upside down because of the handle of the canvas bag. And then we're gonna put our project, our paper here, canvas, our sublimation paper, I'm sorry. And then just make sure that it's good. And then we're gonna use our heat resistant tape to make sure everything will be set. Because if you don't put your heat resistant tape here, it might move, the paper might move during pressing, but I think it only happens every time I do the manual pressing because it's really hard for me. I felt that it's hard, and the moment I had this autopress, oh, this is really a lifesaver. Alright, and then I'm also putting this. This is just a piece of cardboard that I normally get on my papers. So I'm using them to put inside the canvas bag or at the back of the shirt or inside the shirt every time I press, because this is to prevent the ink or the sublimation ink from getting into the other side or other part of the shirt. Now it's ready, as you can see. So we have reached the desired setting of our autopress. Now we're going to press our canvas bag. So I'm using this, it's a baking paper. Alright. And let's go. So there, as you can see, no more hard pressing on my part. So I can do any other things while this is pressing because it's autopress. It's automatic. It automatically stops when it's done, so I won't be having any problems in pressing it anymore. And before, every time I press, I feel so hot. I'm perspiring, maybe because of the heat press that I'm using. I actually have that other manual heat press. So there, so it stopped, and there it is. And by the way, don't worry about your autopress because it has a safety function that if it's not being used or if it's idle for about 10 minutes, it will automatically shut off. So you don't have to worry about it. And now here we go. let's check our canvas bag. So let's just remove. Oh, it's so hot. Just be careful because it's hot. So let's remove our sublimation paper. There it is. So as you can see, this sublimation paper, and this is the bag. There it is. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you were able to decide, if you are still deciding if you're gonna get the Htvront Autopress machine. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it because I love it as far as I'm using it for the past couple of days. And I've decided to get it because it's more affordable compared to the Cricut. Cricut machine is like 4 times more expensive than this Htvront Autopress machine. So if you are still deciding, I hope I have helped you in deciding to get the Htvront Autopress machine. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna do a lot more videos now that I have a lot of time and with my husband's support. So we're gonna make a lot of videos. And see you on our next video. Bye!